Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out Mastertop Replacement Soft Top Windows for your factory soft top found on your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door or 4-door Wrangler Unlimited. Now, if the fabric on your original factory soft top is still in great shape, however, maybe your windows, either the rear window or your side quarter windows, are starting to show their age with heavy scratches, maybe even tearing or coming apart at the seams, well, you can save yourself the hassle as well as the expense of replacing your complete top and only replace the specific window or all three windows if you need to in your soft top with a replacement window from Mastertop. Now, these windows are available in either black diamond or black twill fabric to match your specific soft top material found on your Wrangler from the factory, and they're crafted to the same exacting factory specifications. Now, the side quarter windows are available for both 2-door and 4-door factory soft tops, and those are interchangeable with all year range soft tops, so they're good for 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door and 4-door. You only need to make sure that you're buying the correct window for the 2-door model or for the 4-door model. Now, when it comes to replacing the rear window here on your factory soft top, there are some differences depending on what year Jeep you have. The one other thing that you do need to be sure of is that you do still have a factory soft top on your Jeep. Now, if you're the original owner of your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, well, you probably know what you have. But if you've bought your Jeep secondhand, well, you never know if that factory soft top has been replaced previously with something aftermarket. The easiest way to tell and confirm that you still have an original factory soft top on your Jeep is to look for the Chrysler Pentastar logo that's going to be found right here on the driver's side lower corner of your rear window. The easiest way to look for that is to go ahead and open up your tailgate. If it's hard to see, you can grab yourself a flashlight, put that behind the glass, and you want to look for that Pentastar logo that's going to be embossed right there in that lower corner. And once you confirm that you do have a factory Mopar original soft top on your Jeep, you can rest easy knowing that any of these replacement Mastertop windows will work perfectly with your factory soft top. Now, as I mentioned, there are some differences in size with the rear window that you do need to be sure of before you order a soft top. And the factory had kind of a weird year break between 2009 and 2010, with some earlier 09s having the later style top and some 2010s even having the earlier style top. So the best way to be sure that you're ordering the correct rear window for your specific Jeep is to take a look here. Now, I have both of them laying on the table here, and you can immediately see that there's a pretty good size difference between these windows. Not only that, but there's also going to be some differences in the shape and the way that they attach to the body of your Wrangler. So the window on top here, this smaller window, this happens to be for an 07 to 09 Wrangler, either 2-door or 4-door. They are going to be the same rear window. The easiest way to confirm that's the window that you have for the 07 to 09 is that you're going to have this bulb seal running the entire length at the bottom edge of your window. You're not going to have any additional flaps or tabs sewn to the bottom of your rear glass. Now, underneath that, the larger window that I have here is for the 2010 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, again, both 2-door and 4-door models. And you'll see we have that same bulb seal sewn into the bottom of our glass, but this time it stops before it comes to the end of the fabric. We also have some hook and loop fastener here and a plastic tab that's going to tuck into the belt rail here on the Jeep. Again, that's going to be for your 10 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door and 4-door. Now, finally, one other way you can confirm whether you have an earlier or late style factory soft top is to take out your tape measure and measure your rear glass right here at the heat seam between the glass and the fabric. Now, for that earlier 07 to 09, you're going to come in at about 44.5 inches wide. Now, if we take that same measurement for our 10 to 18 rear glass window, you'll see we come in at about 51.5 inches wide. You can see there is a very noticeable size difference between the earlier and late style rear replacement glass windows for your factory soft top. Now, if you have any more comments or questions about any of the replacement windows from Mastertop for your factory soft top found on your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door or 4-door Unlimited, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Of course, if you want to pick up any one of these windows for your Jeep, you can click that info button, head over to quadratec.com. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.